Do you want to create a blog on your Shopify store? Here's the solution from Dgtal Grow. So let's get started. Go to Shopify backend and click on content and go to blog post. Here you see I already uploaded 2 blogs. So click on create new blog, and in this page paste your content here. So first I will paste blog post on description, and I will write a title. When you upload your blog, make sure you created your blog SEO friendly. So add an image here so that it will look more professional. So I will choose a random image, and if everything is fine, you can change the author name from here. You can change the blog category from here, and you want to SEO, then you can SEO from here. If you want to visible it, click visible and click save. So our blog is successfully posted on our store. Reload the page and go to the page. It's not arrived yet. Refresh it again, and yes, our blog is here. So it will work. If you want to need more tutorial, click subscribe and keep connect with us with Dgtal Grow. Thank you.